Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the slim nose effect on the CapCut application on your selfies, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and tap on the edit button down below, select a project and then tap on the edit button. Slide to the left side and click on retouch. Tap on face at the bottom and tap on reshape in the middle of the page. Tap on nose, which is a subcategory. Tap on slim nose, and here you can use the slide to make your nose slimmer. You can also zoom in to see your nose more precisely and how it changes, and when you're done with the adjustments, click on the checkmark icon down below on the right side corner of the page. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.